Bite-sized German lessons by 11%.
Sich anmelden. So you're in Germany and you want to use a computer in, say, a library. However, whenever you try to log in the computer or in your email, you see the verb anmelden. If you've been wondering what the meaning of this verb is, you've come to the right place, because in today's lesson, you'll learn that anmelden means not only to log in, but much more. Anmelden. 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 Anmelden is, like we've already said, used to say we're logging in. But it can also mean to announce, to register, to enroll, or to sign up. A lot of these words at the first glance seem similar, but hopefully the examples in this lesson will clear this up. The verb is separable, which means that the prefix an can separate itself from the rest of the verb. You will see this in our example sentences. Ich melde mich für den Deutschkurs an, weil ich Deutsch lernen will. I enrolled for a German course because I want to learn German. Die Teilnehmer müssen sich im Voraus für den Kurs anmelden. Participants have to register for the course in advance. Melden Sie sich mit Ihrem Kennwort an. Log in with your password. Er muss sein neues Auto anmelden. He has to register his new car. Wir müssen unseren Wohnort bei einem Einwohnermeldeamt anmelden. We have to register our place of residence at the registration office. Sie meldet ihr Kind bei der besten Schule in der Stadt an. She is enrolling her child in the best school in town. Er wird sich zu einem Tanzkurs anmelden. He will sign up for a dancing class. Lehrerin, ich melde mich zu diesem Sprachkurs an. Teacher, I'm signing up for the language course. Let's check the whole conjugation. Ich melde an. Du meldest an. Er, sie, es meldet an. Wir melden an. Ihr meldet an. Sie melden an. Like we said, this verb is separable. And as you can see here, the prefix an separates itself and goes to the end of the sentence. For example, ich melde mich mit meinem Kennwort an. I log in with my password. Hat angemeldet. Like with other separable German verbs, G comes between the prefix and the rest of the verb. Thus, we have the partizip angemeldet, which combined with the verb haben forms the past tense. Ich habe mich mit meinem Kennwort angemeldet. I logged in with my password. And the simple past tense. Meldete an. Ich meldete mich mit meinem Kennwort an. I logged in with my password. Werd anmelden. Ich werde mich mit meinem Kennwort anmelden. I will log in with my password. This time the an isn't separated, because in the future tense the verb comes in the infinitive form, paired up with the verb werden. As you've seen, knowing this verb can come quite handy. Whether you're registering something, announcing your visit, logging in, enrolling in school, or signing up for classes, the verb anmelden has got you covered. Make sure you've learned the essentials by solving the following short exercises. As we've seen, anmelden has several significant meanings: to announce, log in, enroll, and sign up. Which meaning does it have in the following sentences? If you write your answers in the comments below, you enter the chance to win a free beginner German course. Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!